Hi, this is Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry. I have a lot of requests how to create a chain, and in this video I will show you how I make one of my favorite chain links. I torched the scrap wire and it's supposed to be like this, the small pieces. For the link I use about 4 inches of the 20 gauge wire. See, that's the scrap wire that was about 1 inch long, and the long piece is about 4. What you do first, you make a little spiral. You just turn around. Make sure you have a little access between the wires so you can push. You will see what I mean. So that's how you make it, and don't connect them together. Now you try to put in that little hole there between wires, the small piece of wire. So it should be like this, like a little spiral around the small piece of wire. Now you tie them together gently. And to make each link the same length, you have to pick some of your tools that have the same, like I have one very old tool, I will show you. This one, I like it because the side is exactly the same. And I use that as a reference for each my link. That's why they are so perfectly same. You can, I'm pretty sure you can find this tool in Home Depot or someplace else. You bend it in opposite direction. One goes up, the other goes down. Now you will use your round nose pliers. Put it back to the little torch stick and just wrap it. Just don't rush, take your time, because if you very quickly do it, you can destroy one of the wires, so it will not look perfect. Just slowly, then cut. After you cut, you use your other pliers to just smush it down. That's it. Now we're turning work and make another. The same way, pushing the wire down. The only difference is that you wanted the other link going in different directions. So the one is going straight, this one I push it in the other way. You will see why, because then when you attach the new link, you will attach through one that goes, the one that I'm doing right now. Cut. Also tight. Check if it's perfect. You can file your ends if you wanted to. That's it. That's one link. One link done. let's make the other one so we can connect them. And you can make one long chain from all those little components. You can only do two and add it 10 beads between. You can be really creative. The little goes in. Sometimes it's fiddly, but it's not that bad. Tie it together. Use the same tool up. The other hand is opposite direction. Now time for round nose pliers to make the same loop. And I connect, now it's the time to connect them together. See, one goes that way, and you continue to do the same process all over again and again and again. And here is some finished project. See, I put all those links, like 3 on one side, 3 on the other side. I think you can easily make a bracelet from those two. I really like it, how it looks. And I also make earrings with exactly same design. I will show you. This is my other piece. In the first one, in the tutorial I show you with the torched ends, I didn't hammer. In this piece I did hammer it. So it's have a little different look. You can also do it. You can hammer it. And here is some earrings. They're very delicate. Simple, but they can match any piece. Especially if you adding the link, you can make something that can match. People like matching pairs. I hope you learned something from this video. Please subscribe and like. And thank you for watching.